The question of patent ownership when the inventor is an artificial intelligence, AI, is a complex and evolving legal issue that has not been definitively resolved in many jurisdictions. As of my knowledge cutoff in September 2021, most patent laws are designed around the concept of human inventors, and they typically grant ownership rights to the individual or individuals who made the inventive contribution. When it comes to AI-generated inventions, there are different perspectives and approaches. Some argue that since AI systems are tools created and controlled by humans, the human creators should be recognized as the inventors and thus granted the patent rights. Others contend that if an AI system autonomously generates a novel and non-obvious invention, it should be recognized as the inventor and granted patent rights accordingly. To date, patent offices in various countries, including the United States and the European Patent Office, have generally required human inventors for patent applications. However, the topic is being actively debated, and there have been proposals and discussions on potential changes to patent laws to accommodate AI-generated inventions. Ultimately, the determination of patent ownership for AI-generated inventions will depend on the legal frameworks and policies established by each jurisdiction. It is possible that new laws and regulations will emerge to address this issue as AI technology continues to advance and becomes more prevalent in the innovation landscape.